Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mystery Box, the channel where we unbox the future of technology and explore the incredible ideas shaping tomorrow's world. Today, we're re-diving into something truly powerful, the top 5 future tech business ideas for 2025. If you've ever dreamed of launching your own company, riding the wave of the latest tech trends, then this video could absolutely change your game. Ready to get inspired? Let's jump right in. Starting at number 5, we have AI content automation services. We were living in a time where artificial intelligence isn't just a helpful tool, it is a creative partner. From video editing and script writing to designing eye-catching thumbnails and even generating voiceovers like this one, AI can do it all. And that efficiency has opened up a massive new wave of business opportunities for smart entrepreneurs. Imagine offering a complete AI-powered content creation package to small YouTubers, budding influencers, or local brands. You could use a suite of tools like ChatGPT for scripts, Midjourney for stunning visuals, Pika Labs for video, and 11 Labs for voiceovers, delivering high-quality content in just minutes. Think about it. Most small creators can't afford a full production team, but they can absolutely afford to pay someone who masterfully wields AI. The best part? You could start this business right from your living room with zero coding skills. All you need is a spark of creativity and the consistency to deliver. What about earnings? You could be looking at anywhere from $500 to $3,000 a month depending on your client base. AI tools are the new employees, and trust me, they never call in sick. Coming in at number 4 is the smart home installation and automation business. As we head into 2025, the smart home market is absolutely exploding all over the world. People want the convenience of voice-controlled lights, automated security systems, and AI-powered appliances. But here's the catch. Most have no idea how to set them all up. That's where you come in. This is your opportunity to launch a smart home setup service that not only installs and configures these IoT devices, but also maintains them. You can start small, focusing on popular products like smart door cameras, intelligent thermostats, and lighting systems. Then, as your skills and reputation grow, you can scale up to designing and implementing fully AI-integrated smart homes. The profit margins here are high because customers are paying for convenience and expertise. With brands like Google Nest, Amazon Alexa, and Philips Hue dominating the market, the demand is already there. If you have a knack for connecting devices, installing hardware, and teaching others how to use them, you're sitting on a potential goldmine. Smart homes aren't some distant future anymore. They're the present, just waiting for a smart entrepreneur like you to upgrade them. Now for number 3, electric vehicle customization and charging solutions. The EV revolution is here, and it's booming. Companies like Tesla, Rivian, and BYD are pushing the boundaries of electric mobility, and even giants like Apple are rumored to be joining the race. And guess what? Every single new EV owner becomes a potential customer. They need accessories, they need maintenance, and most importantly, they need reliable charging options. You can build a business that caters specifically to this market. Consider starting a custom EV business offering home charging station setups, or maybe developing a smart battery analytics app. You could even specialize in custom lighting and interior upgrades for electric cars. Another fast-growing trend, especially in the US, China, and Europe, is mobile EV charging vans that bring the power directly to the customer. With governments worldwide offering subsidies for green energy initiatives, this is a legitimate billion-dollar opportunity. Experts predict that by 2030, over half of all cars sold will be electric. If you get in early, your brand could ride this massive EV wave all the way to the top. All right, let's talk about number 2, sustainable tech products and e-waste recycling. This one is massive, and it's about more than just making money. It's about making a difference. Every year, the world generates more than 50 million tons of electronic waste. That's a staggering problem. But visionary clean tech startups are now turning that waste into wealth. You could launch a green tech business that collects, recycles, and repurposes e-waste. By extracting valuable metals like gold, copper, and silver from discarded electronics, you can create a highly profitable and sustainable venture. Did you know that 1 ton of recycled smartphones can yield gold worth over $20,000? It's incredible.
Beyond recycling, you could also design and sell your own sustainable products like biodegradable phone cases, solar-powered chargers, or gadgets made from recycled metals. Being eco-friendly is no longer just a trend. For many consumers and governments, it's becoming a requirement. Governments are actively funding clean tech startups like crazy, and the market for sustainable electronics is projected to skyrocket past $200 billion by 2030.
If you want to build a truly future-proof business that aligns with your values, go green, go clean. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Our #1 future tech business idea is AI and robotics service startups. This is where the real magic begins. Robots are no longer the stuff of science fiction. They are a viable and rapidly growing business model. From autonomous delivery drones and warehouse robots to advanced humanoids like Tesla's Optimus, automation is fundamentally changing every industry. You could start a robotics integration service, providing small and mid-sized businesses with the automation solutions they desperately need. Factories, restaurants, and logistics companies all want to implement robotics to improve efficiency, but they often don't know where to begin. You can be the bridge. If you can source, program, or manage robotic systems, you've found your gold mine. You don't even have to build the robots yourself. You can become a crucial consultant connecting robotics suppliers with businesses. And if you're more on the software side of AI, you could launch your own SaaS startup. Think AI-powered customer support bots, intelligent voice assistants, or tools that automate complex business workflows. By 2030, the global AI and robotics market is projected to be worth over $500 billion. This is the frontier where the next generation of tech billionaires will be born. So, what's the big takeaway from all this? In 2025 and beyond, the best business ideas aren't just about having capital. They're about understanding technology and, more importantly, timing. Whether it's AI-driven content automation, smart homes, electric vehicles, clean tech, or robotics, innovation is opening endless doors of opportunity. And all you really need is the curiosity to walk through one of them. This is the Tech Mystery Box. And today we didn't just explore the future, we started building it. If you found these ideas inspiring, please don't forget to like this video, share it with a fellow dreamer, and subscribe for more content. Your next big idea might just be one video away. Thanks for watching.